getting experience with basically some just basic demolitions that we're doing.
Conducting a live fire demolitions range. Basically trying to meet our TNR events and train the Marines on how to properly build demolition charges, what practical purpose they have, what effects on targets they will have, and what they will reduce.
It's pretty demo, it's happy demo.
Engineers are one more asset the MU has available to them, so we can help with enemy actually conducting and building an obstacle to reduce enemy mobility, or to reduce enemy obstacles, creating mobility for the MU.
Smoke.
Smoke it!
All right, go ahead, lay it down.